Johnson. It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodle, and today we've got one from Red Chef. This is their Sesame clear soup noodles. So the broth is virtually clear, and that's how it goes. And so yeah, this one only takes 3 minutes. It's from Malaysia by one of my favorite brands over there. They have 2 varieties on the global top 10. 2? 3? I think 2. Now I can't remember. I want to say 3 though. Their stuff's really top notch. They make some really good Malaysian stuff. Malaysia is always, well, I think since 2013, over the last 10 years, Malaysia has been very, very well represented on the top 10. Malaysia, Singapore, other countries, mostly Malaysia, Singapore, Taiwan. Yeah. It's getting time that I start working on that, which is, I don't know. I like getting out and doing junk, and that's going to be difficult, but we'll figure it out. What's neat about this one, I already tossed this here. The bowl that will be used for this one, see that bowl? It's the same bowl, like for reals, for really though. Yeah, they sent me that bowl, so hopefully it'll be like, I think it's like the exactly same bowl, which is pretty cool. Yeah. Now the noodles are cooking. On that package though, I don't see any egg. I may use an egg. If I'm going to use an egg, I got to use it on this one because I'm only doing 3 and I've got softies that are ready to go. So I might throw a softie in there. I think that might be the deal, but we'll see. It is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Thursday. It's less than a week until my birthday. I don't know, everybody wants to make me a cake and all that stuff, and I just started like a super gung-ho diet, so it's like not super interested in that. They mean well, but it's just like, I have basically 2 meals a day and I do 10 miles of walking. I really am feeling good doing that, so I don't want to make anybody feel like, geez dude, geez, but it's just kind of the way I do things, and I know what works, so I'm sticking to it. Yeah, so let's see. This is the 12th day, so it'll be 120 miles that I've done since I started all this stuff. 23 seconds is just right. Yeah. A little noodle. A little taste of noodle. Alright. You're off, right? Yeah. So we got 2 sachets. One is powder. I like how they spell powder in French. It's like P-O-U-D-R-E. Isn't that it? Powder. Powder. So there's the powder seasoning. And then we have the paste. If you see paste in Malaysia, it'll be spelled P-E-S. Paste. A little bit of paste. I like how they spell bus, or they do bus too. It's B-A-S. Where are you going? I gotta go ride the bus. I like that. Okay, come on. Let go. So here's the clear soup base. The paste base. This one is really kind of getting cranky. You gotta get out of there. Get out of there! I should have warmed up the sachet before I got to this point. Come on, really? Usually their sachets are so well behaved. Almost thinking, don't I have a... Yeah, I do. That's more like it. Just scrape it out. You know, there's nothing wrong with scraping this stuff out of a sachet, especially wanting to have all the nice flavoring stuff in there. Go. This one works really well for that. Usually that's kind of a tough sell for these sachets. They don't want to let go. But this one did pretty well. So it is a clear soup, but it's not, I guess it's not completely clear. I know how the noodles that they usually use are. They usually hydrate very well. Let's have a look. I think this one should be available in the US. I don't know the popularity of this one in the US because, like me, I really don't understand this. I've seen clear soup before. Mama has some clear soup varieties. I think it's just like a savory soup. There you go. Okay. Good, but it's like I don't know what I'm looking for in it. It's like so different. It's savory, it's nice, it makes me want to like eat it. But of their lineup, I would say this is like my least favorite, but there's plenty of varieties that I like this way more that I've reviewed in the past, so I don't know how to... It's a tough one to score for me. I like it, so it'll do all right. If you see it, you should try it and let me know what you think of it, because it's good, but it's just really different. It's not chicken, that's for certain, but it's got a nice color to the broth. Yeah, I should use an egg in this one, I think. I'm for sure going to use some nice fish balls, as it certainly looks like they're using in the graphic on the package. Remember, when you're making products and it says serving suggestion, especially for foreign stuff, if you know what those things are that you're seeing in the picture, go for that, because that's probably what people are using there. You know what I mean? If you want it to be good, do this. So do that. Well, I'll use this knife. Doing good so far. There you go. Beautiful. And I do have mung bean sprouts and spring onion. I don't have any coriander, and I think coriander would suit this really well. Just so if you're gonna make this yourself, I would go with some coriander, because that's just like way better. So there's that. We're gonna throw on some bean sprouts. Good there. Spring onion. The spring onion is particularly dark. I'm thinking of doing an experiment too, of just cutting the ends of the spring onion off and then slicing that, because I think that just might look a lot better in a lot of my applications. A little bit of sesame. Where can we add this crushed red pepper? Maybe over here. Like that. And I think that's about right. Wow, now I want to just like eat this. Good God. There's a lot of noise outside today. Okay, let's see how this rotato action works. Yeah, it's rotating. Watch and learn. Well, thank you very much to Annie over at Red Chef for sending this over. Very cool. And yeah, I'm glad I gave this another try. This next one you're going to see is Burung Leang Terbang Mi Goreng Rasa Sambal Terasi. This is from Indonesia, and thanks to Ferengi from Australia, I'll be doing this next. So this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like and subscribe, it really helps me out. Thanks. Have a good one. Bye.